The function we are going to write is called string compare. Like I said, this is different from what the system does for us. All right. Okay. It has two buffers, buffer 1 and buffer 2. It compares the strings in each of the buffer. Okay. Let's pretend we have two different sets of functions, strings, and when you compare two strings, it will compare each and every cell. If they are same, it goes to the next cell. If they are same, it goes to the next cell. What happens if they are not same? You don't have to compare at all, right? You only keep moving if they are same. Okay, so let's write that. Let's pretend we have buff 1 and buff 2, right? So while buff for 1 I is equal buff 2, right? I plus plus, right? Our I is always 0. And you traverse the buffer from the beginning, and as long as they are same, you increment it. And what if you reach the end of, you reach the null character inside this loop? Equal, that means they are same, and you are checking if one of them is null character, the other one is also null character, right? If it is we reach the end, you say break, right? You get out. So two conditions you will be out from this while loop. One is if they are not same, and if they are same but you reached the end of line. That's the second condition. So two conditions you have. So your now code is now executing here. It executed this while loop. It's right here now. So now you check if buff 1, buff 1, right? I, if you have reached the end, you can say they are the same. Printf same strings, right? Else, that means we didn't reach the end of character, we got out of because these two characters are different. So you can check if buff 1 I is greater than buff 2 I, you can say buff 1 is greater. Greater or bigger. This comparison, as you know, is ASCII comparison, right? So in the ASCII table, if it is higher, so this string is greater, right? This is ASCII, right? ASCII table. Else buff 2 is greater. So this is how you can do one method of string compare. This is our way of doing things, okay? All I need you guys is to print. That's all it is. The real compare does the real compare that system does is totally different. We'll get to it when we talk about pointers. Okay? Thank you.